students, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita and I firmly believe that we should keep trying until we get it right. So let's start our trial for today. तो last time हमने estimation सीखा था. We had done the sum means addition and difference मतलब subtraction, and today we will do estimating the products exercise 1E. So estimating the products मतलब multiplication करना है हमें. After rounding off, first I have taken rounding off to nearest 10. Those questions I have taken. So हमें दिया गया है 64 into 58. I have taken question number 5 because 1, 2, 3, 4 I have left it for you. If in case you have any doubt anywhere, please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely make a separate video for those questions. But I think they are very easy. इसलिए मैं number 5 से शुरू कर रही हूँ. So first we have to round off here. The question is 64 into 58. So first we need to round off this. 64 को nearest 10 को अगर round off करेंगे तो 4 तो छोटा है, less than 5 है, 4 is less than 5. So यहाँ पे 0 आ जाएगा ones place पे और 6 tens place में as it is लिख देंगे. 60 हो गया हमारा first term. उसके बाद into लिख देंगे. अभी ones place में 58 में क्या है? ones place में है 8. So here we will again write a 0, but one more thing we need to do here. We are rounding off to nearest 10. So nearest will be 5 plus 1, 6, 60. Right? So the final product is 6 into 6, 3600 or 3600. This is the answer for question number 5. Now we will do question number 6, 15 into 34. See, whatever numbers we have done till now, either this ones place value is less than 5 or greater than 5. But now here in this question we have not less than, not greater than, but 5 itself. जहाँ पर ऐसे मिले हमें नंबर जहाँ पर ones place में 5 हो, तो हमें क्या करना है उसे राउंड करते वक्त we have to use the same formula that we use for greater than 5. मतलब if say the number is 35, 5 हमें यहाँ पर जब उसे राउंड ऑफ करेंगे 0 बना देंगे बिकॉज हमें रूल कौन सा अप्लाई कर देना है, ग्रेटर देन 5 का रूल वही यूज़ करना है, ग्रेटर देन 5 रूल. सो 5 विल बिकम 0 इन द राउंड ऑफ एंड वी विल एड 1 टू दिस टेंस प्लेस डिजिट. टेंस प्लेस डिजिट व्हाट डज इट इज दैट? 3. सो 3 विल एड 1 टू इट, सो इट विल बिकम 4. सो 35 व्हेन राउंडेड ऑफ बिकम्स 40. Here 15 will become 20 and we'll multiply it with 34. 34 we need to round off first. So if we round off this first, what it will become? 4 will become 0 and 3 as it is because 4 is less than 5. So less than 5 rule. So it becomes 30, right? So final answer is 600 for question number 6. So now we will do question from the same exercise 1E, but rounding off to nearest 100. पहले करे थे rounding off to nearest 10. Now we will do rounding off to nearest 100. I have taken question number 10. So if you have any doubt in any other question that I am leaving out, please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely attempt them in another video. So 509 into 179. So here हमें nearest 100 करना है. So 509 के केस में here I will look at the tens place. What is the number here in the tens place? 0. क्योंकि मुझे 100 को करना है, so I'll focus on the tens place digit 0. If it is 0 means मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? It's less than 5, so I will in my round off I'll write in tens place 0. Also I'll make this ones place 0 because 0 is less than 5, so 0 less than 5 वाला रूल हमें अप्लाई करना है इधर. So the tens and one place both in my answer will become 0 and hundreds place I will not change. So it will remain 500. Okay. So here the rule for 0 less than 5 has been applied because tens place adds 0. So the final round off number became 500. Now I'll put the multiplication symbol and go to 179. In case of 179, in case of 179, first I'll write down the number. I have got tens place I have got 7, right? 7 is greater than 5 here. 7 is greater than 5, so greater than 5 rule. First, what we will do in greater than 5 rule? First, we will do the same thing that we do in the less than 5 case. Matlab, tens of ones place will make them 0. Tens and ones place will make them 0, and 100, whatever digit is there, here it is 1, it could be 2, it could be 3, whatever digit is there, we'll just add 1 more to it. Matlab, if it is 1 here, it will become 200 after rounding off. It will become 2. And here, both the digits will turn 0. So, this is the round up of this 179. So, it will become 200. So, final answer, 5 2s are 10 and 4 zeros. This is the final answer. Okay, for question number 10. Now, we will do rounding off to nearest 100. Question number 12, 271 into 339. Where do students make mistake while rounding off? They don't exactly know where to focus, which number to focus on. When it says nearest 100, I should look at the tens place digit, right? From there, I will see if the tens place digit is greater than 5 or less than 5. When the question is nearest 100. When the question is nearest 10, I need to look at the ones place digit, and then think if that number is less than 5 or greater than 5. So look carefully what the question is asking. It is here asking nearest 100. That means I need to look at the tens place. First term is 271 in the multiplication. So I see that 7 is greater than 5, right? 271, 7 in tens place is greater than 5. So I need to apply the rule for greater than 5. So first I have to make tens and ones place 0 0. Tens and ones place 0 ho gaye. Now I need to add 1 to this 2 in hundreds place. Hundreds place में जो भी digit होगा उसमें we need to add 1. So 2 है, so it will become 3. Now similarly in this case we need to look at again at the tens place because हमें nearest 100 बताया गया है. So 3 means 3 is, we know, less than 5, so less than 5 rule will apply. Here again we need to make the tens and ones place 0, and we should not make any changes to the hundreds place. In less than 5 rule, we need not make any change to the hundreds place digit. Means if there is 3, the 3 will be written as it is. Right? This is the rule for less than 5. So finally, what did the term become after rounding off? 271 became 300 and 339 also became 300. So when I multiply, what do I get? 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 90,000. This is the final answer for question number 12. Now we will move to question where it is asking us to round off the first number upwards and second number downwards. That means it is asking us neither to round off to nearest 100 or tens or thousands. First number we need to round off upwards, means 472 first term hai. We have to round it off upwards. If we round it off upwards, what it will become? 472, obviously 500. Nearest क्या होगा? 472 को अगर upward करूँगी मैं without looking at any of the digits, I can say 500. Now second term I have to 158. I need to round it off downwards. Question is itself saying round it off downwards. So no need of looking at tens place or ones place. I just need to round it off downwards. मतलब 158 कितना हो जाएगा? 100 हो जाएगा obviously. So it will become 100. So 500 into 100. Okay, 472 became after estimating upwards 500, and 158 after estimating downwards it became 100. So it will become 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 50,000. This is the answer for question number 6. Now we will come to question number 18. Same thing, rounding of first number upwards and second number downwards. Question is asking us to multiply 255 into 350. So first term we need to round off upwards. So 255 if rounded off upwards, मतलब estimate अगर इसका ऊपर upward करें तो अपवर्ड एंड क्या है 255 का. डोंट लुक एट एनी ऑफ द डिजिट. 255 will tell definitely it is 300. Look at the whole number. In such cases, look at the entire number, not any digit. अकेले 5 को, इस 5 को या इस 5 को देखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Here 255, if we round it up upwards, it is closer to 300, right? Now same thing we need to do, but estimating downwards for 350. If 350 is rounded off downwards, so what will be the value? 300. Lower end is 300. If question पूछता इसको भी upward करना है तो 400 हो जाता. But here the question is asking us not to estimate it upwards. It is asking us to estimate downwards. So it will become again 300. So 255 when estimated upwards became 300. And when 350 was estimated downwards, it became 300. So you have to look carefully what the question is asking. If suppose the question is asking estimate first number and second number both upwards, both number you have to estimate upwards. That time in such case ये 350 400 बन जाता, तो ये 300 into 400 बन जाता. But here one number is we are estimating, first number we are estimating upwards, second number downwards. So look at the question very carefully and then estimate. Because these questions are super simple. Only thing is to focus on the question to avoid silly mistake. So the answer is 3 into 3, 9, and then 4 zeros followed by 4 zeros, 90,000 for question number 80. Now we are doing question estimating the product, rounding of first number downwards and second number upwards. Here just the opposite we need to do. I have taken question number 19, 356 into 278. So 356 I have to, this is the first term, first number, so I have to estimate it downwards. Either the answer will be 300 or 400. When it is asking to estimate this number downwards, it will become 300. Same number 356. If somebody asks us to estimate upwards, that time it will become 400. Okay, 278. Similarly, 278. It is asking, the question is asking us to estimate it upwards. Means it will become 300. ठीक है? And if same question, not same question, same number, 278, we are asked to estimate downwards. It will become downwards matlab 200. Okay? So here it is asking us like this. So both the answers will be 300. I'll erase this to avoid confusion. I'll erase this. Just discussion. So it will become 300 multiplied by 300. So answer will be 90,000 again. This is the answer for question number 19. Okay. So question number 20 is asking us 472 into 76. We need to estimate where we have to round off first number downwards and second number upwards. So 472 downwards means it will become 400. If estimated upwards, it will become 500. Right? Just I am writing for clarification. 76, if I have to round up upwards, it will become 80. If 76, the question would have asked us to estimate it downwards, then it will become 70. Right? So here we need to stick to these two, 480. Because question is asking first number downwards and second number upwards. So 472 when estimated downwards, it became 400. And 76 when estimated upwards, it became 80. So I need to multiply now. 8 4s are 32 followed by 3 zeros. So this is the final answer, 32,000 for question number 20. So coming to question number 21, 578 into 369. First we'll round off the first term, 578 downwards. Downwards matlab 500. Right? If the question would have asked us to round it off upwards, then it would have become 600. 369 we need to round off upwards. round of upwards means 369, 400 it will become. If the same question would have asked to estimate it downwards, it would have become 300. Either it will become 300 or 400 if question is like this, rounding up downwards or upwards. If 369, one question asks us to round it up upwards, it will become 400, and if the same question asks us for 369 to round it off downwards, it will become 300. No other number in between will come. So I'll remove these two numbers to avoid any kind of doubts. So 578 will become 500 after estimating downward, and 369 will become 400 after estimating it upwards. So final answer is this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 lakhs. 5 fours are 20, right? And then 4 zeros. So this is 2 lakhs is the answer for question number 21. So we will come to now exercise 1F. Exercise 1F is asking us to estimate the quotients. Wherever quotients term comes, there we need to do division, right? So question number 1, I am taking from R.S. Aggarwal exercise 1F, 87 divided by 28. So we need to first estimate 87. 87 approximate estimation, what value it will be? It is close to 90, right? If we look at the number line, 87 is closer to 90 or 80. Obviously 87 is closer to 90. So approximation or estimation of 87 will give us 90. Now we will move to 28. 28, similar thing we need to find the approximate value. Again 28, या तो estimate करने के बाद 30 होगा या तो फिर 20 होगा. Which number is closer to 28 in number line? 30, right? So it will become 30. So now if I try to find out after estimation, it will become 90 divided by 30. So 30 into 3 is 90. So 90 divided by 30 will give me 3. So this is the answer for question number 1. So here question number 5, it's asking us to divide 725 with 23. So first estimation of 725. 725 if estimated, we need to see which number it will be closer to. Either I will go to 700 or 800. It is closer to 700. Now I have to do 23. 23 if I have to estimate, it is closer to 20 or 30. Obviously 20. So this estimation becomes 700 divided by 20, right? So 700 divided by 20, I write like this, like a fraction. Cancel out the common zeros. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 1 2 fives are 10. So the final answer is 35 for question number 5. Now coming to question number 8, 729 divided by 29. First I need to approximate or estimate 729. So it will become 700, right? If I estimate this, 29 is super simple, it will become 30. So finally I have to divide 700 by 30. So I write like this to divide. So 32s are 60, 10, 0 comes down, 100. So it will be 3 3s are 90, sorry, 33s are 90. Again 10, then now decimals will come. So I need a rough estimate. With decimal I don't need, it will go like this, 23.33, something like this. So I don't need decimal, I need a proper estimated value. So it will be 23, of course. So 700 divided by 30 will become 23. So the final answer for question number 8 is 23. So we got 900 divided by 40 as 22.5. But do we need to write 22.5? No. We need to estimate the quotient. So 22.5 अगर मैं उसका estimate करूँगी, will it be 22 or 23? 22.5 है. अगर 22.1 या 0.2 या 0.3 या 0.4 होता, then it will become 22 if I have to estimate, but it is 22.5. If it is 22.5 or 22.6 or 22.7 or 0.8 or 0.9, any number between 22.5 and 23, then estimate will become 23. So the final quotient after estimation for question number 9 is 23. Now coming to question number 10. Question number 10 is asking us to estimate the quotient for 868 divided by 38. So first I need to estimate 868. 868 will become after estimation 800 or 900. It's closer to 900. So estimated value will be 900. Now 38, very easy, it's 40. No doubts here. So it will become final division will become 900 divided by 40. So now I have to do 40 divided by 900. 40 2s are 80. So I need to subtract 100. Again 40 2s are 80. Same thing as before. Again एक यहाँ पर decimal 0.